Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and I believe that XRP is well positioned to outperform Bitcoin during the next altcoin rally. Now, I want to be clear that I do not have a financial background, so you should not buy or sell because of anything that I say or write. I'm not offering financial advice. I'm happy to share my opinions, but take it for just that. Just take it as a friend having a fun conversation with you, and that's it. But as far as alt season here, some still are not confident that it's coming. Interestingly, some say it's here right this second. I don't know that there's a ton of evidence for that, but hey, ask enough people, you can find an opinion that'll cover just about any possible outcome on any topic, I suppose. But alt season, just to make sure everybody understands what we're talking about here, really what we're talking about when we say alt season, it's just this idea of every coin that is not the number one cryptocurrency. And right now, Bitcoin's the number one cryptocurrency. That could change. So Bitcoin could become an altcoin, right? If it just becomes number two in terms of market cap, that seems to be how everyone wants to measure it. So all the altcoins having increasing dominance relative to the number one cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, which again is Bitcoin right now. Now, that doesn't mean that Bitcoin has to go down in price. During an alt season, Bitcoin can certainly increase in price. It's just that the altcoins as a whole they're appreciating in price at a more notable pace, and that allows it to take away the dominance from Bitcoin. And right now, I think it's on the screen here. I put a Live Coin Watch pulled up. Where is it on here? I haven't looked at Live Coin Watch. There we go. Bitcoin dominance is currently at 63.58%. During the last altcoin rally, Bitcoin dominance got down to about 34%. It was somewhere around there. So again, it's at 63% today. There's some room to go down here. And historically, this is what happens. Now, we've got comments from Binance CEO, CZ, as well as Dan Morehead, who is the guy who founded Pantera Capital, which is basically the first cryptocurrency fund ever. So we're going to get into all that, but before we go any further, if you would please delicately tap that like button. It's great for the YouTube algorithm, so if you don't hate everything that comes out of this channel and you want to do something nice that's not going to cost you any money, just hit that little thumb. It's going to be cool. And also subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel, because if you do, we could be friends. Maybe even best friends. We'll just see where this takes us. And so as I'm recording this, XRP's at 19.8 cents. You got Bitcoin at 9,374 with the crypto asset class. Let's see, what's the valuation? $271 billion as I record this. And then you got some people not so thrilled with XRP in general, and this is funny. All the way 08 wrote ha 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 with a couple emojis and tagged me. And there's this little screen grab here of a Twitter exchange. And so I wanted to share this with you. Somebody named Toast.eth wrote, and they're talking about XRP here, the price also went 20% lower than your green turnaround zone. XRP is dead. Sorry if you're in deep, but crypto has moved on. Crypto's moved on, guys. Never mind that XRP is still in the top 10 of cryptocurrencies, and it's the only cryptocurrency being used in the commercial production of anything in 2020. Never mind that. The world's just moved on here, guys. Now, Credible Crypto responded to this individual by writing, do you want to put money on it? Toast.eth responded, certainly not. So it is kind of funny. But then you have this person who is just engaged in complete capitulation if we're to be taking this seriously. This is All in Braham on Twitter here wrote, had enough. And I said that louder because it's in all caps with an exclamation point. Had enough. Sold all my XRP for Link. Now all in on Link. Couldn't watch my bag's value rot away any longer. Already made more gains in 12 hours than I made in 2 years. Implore all XRP holders to do the same. DeFi will be the kingmaker this bull run, and Link makes it possible. And now this is funny. Check the response. This is from XRP community member Straight Up XRP. Now this is rich. And he wrote, you posted the same BS over a month ago. You probably never owned more than 20 XRP anyways. This is what I call fear. So if it is true, I mean, this is the type of stuff that makes me feel bullish. Just people just completely capitulating based on nothing but emotions, and I'm impatient and I want action now. That I'm cool with. Go ahead, get out of your system, throw your little tantrum, kick and scream. To me, this is awesome. I'm counting on humans having these emotional reactions, and I'm counting on me, even though I am a human, I'm counting on me not participating. I choose to not do that. I refuse to engage in such nonsensical behavior. And you can see here was the other tweet from the past. This individual, All Inbraham, wrote, "Was all in on XRP for 3 years, and I've had enough." In all capital letters. That project is done. Now officially all in Link. Seen more price action in a few days than the last few years. Implore all XRP holders to get into Link and join the Marines. Let's effing make it. Okay, so this could perhaps be a troll account, but if it is a real individual, I like seeing stuff like this. Can I do for myself, you know, because I'm totally counting on this. So let's jump into this now. So what about XRP during the next alt cycle? Well, look at this. This headline: Binance CEO, 95% of crypto projects are unlikely to pump this cycle. Crypto altcoins have ignored Bitcoin's inability to rally over recent weeks. Take the chart below, which shows that Bitcoin has strongly underperformed some of the leading cryptocurrencies since the start of June. And there's a little chart on the screen right there. With the recent outperformance of altcoins, a select group of traders is expecting an alt season. The head technical analyst at crypto research firm BlockFire commented with the following, quote, "There are people that don't believe it's alt season. Look at Doge. Look at Bitcoin dominance. 3-year trend broken, plus macro LHNL for the first time in 900 plus days." So that'd be lower high and lower low. Look at retail on Robinhood and TikTok. Get ready. 2017 rehash is on its way. And fair enough. The point about Bitcoin dominance is fair. It had been a while since I checked it, but it seemed to have more so been hovering around like 66, 67%. So even if it's just down a few points, maybe that's something. And then the piece continues here. And altcoin season is when altcoins across the industry rally by hundreds of percent to strong outperform Bitcoin. I think they mean strongly outperform Bitcoin, but hey, it's crypto media. Don't spell check your work or check for content or sentence structure. Just go ahead and type it up, but draft just one time and then publish that bitch to the Webernets for everybody to see and judge. Now, a CZ, the CEO of Binance, has suggested that the sentiment that all altcoins will rally may be too optimistic, and he's not alone in touting that opinion. So check this out. This is fun. This is interesting. Multiple cryptocurrencies are in the midst of surging dozens of percent higher as of this article's writing. And really, even XRP, it's up 10% or so within the last 24 hours, so XRP is a part of this. But anyway, it's a list that includes Cardano, Dogecoin, VeChain, Icon, Cosmos, OX, and more. XRP would be part of the more section because I didn't want to cite it here. Because it's not good to report on XRP rising, right? Not if you're Bitcoinist.com, which is where this piece comes from. But anyway, not all altcoins will share this fate, though, says CZ, the founder, CEO of Binance. Responding to the frothy market conditions, the industry executive said, quote, "Not all alts will pump during the next alt season. If a project has been around for 3 years but not much to show for, then ... A few that have consistently pushed development will thrive. Hashtag BIDDLE, which is the misspelling of the word build, a play on the hodl hold thing. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. BIDDLE. And this is something that I have certainly thought about. And I don't know how many coins are going to go bye-bye forever, going the way of the dodo, which is my favorite extinct avian creature, getting all flappy and whatnot in the sky. Not anymore. But I think it's certainly possible that some of these coins effectively are dead. If you looked at Live Coin Watch or CoinMarketCap and just scrolled to the lowest cap coins, there's effectively like no trading at all happening. There's like effectively nothing. And so I don't know if money would magically just pump into those types of coins. And then you could talk about some that are even mid-cap. Are all of these coins actually going to pump during alt season when people get all crazy? Like, oh my God, people are throwing money in the asset class. Blah, blah, blah. Because that's what happened in 2017. And that's what everybody sounded like, by the way. It's like, oh my God, there's so much money in the asset class. It's like they're excited, but they sound soft. I don't know. It's weird. But some of them will go away, but I couldn't feel more confident that those cryptocurrencies that are actually offering value to the world will have staying power. And that's why, to me, even though I'm not offering financial advice here, I certainly believe that XRP is going to be a benefactor of that type of situation. When money does continue to flow in and you have the next pump and you got the alt season occurring, all that jazz, I couldn't be more optimistic. Because historically this has happened. I don't have a reason to believe that this would be the first time it's not going to happen. And even if it looks a little bit different than the past and some more coins go extinct effectively, okay, that's fine. I can see it. I don't think it's a crazy thing that CZ's talking about this right here. Now let's jump into this from Cointelegraph. Crypto OG, that stands for Original Gangsta, because they have such playful, fun titles over at Cointelegraph. So Crypto OG thinks altcoins will outperform Bitcoin in the near future. Dan Moorhead, the founder of the first crypto venture capital firm Pantera Capital, believes that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin over the next couple of years. And by the way, I think this guy's really sharp. I've been following since shortly after entering the crypto space. And he's not even an XRP guy or anything like that. He doesn't bash. He's also not a troll, nothing like that. I just think he's a sharp dude that kind of gets the bigger picture in general here. And I actually had the pleasure of seeing him speak live at a blockchain conference a couple years ago in LA. Super duper guy, I think. But anyway, speaking at the Unitize virtual event, Moorhead said that in the short term, his firm is betting on altcoins. Check this out. Here's a quote. And it's our opinion that these altcoins, and particularly smaller cap smart contract tokens, are going to outperform Bitcoin over the next couple of years. Well, how about that? And so it does make you wonder, because I won't be surprised again if a lot of these projects are permanently dead, effectively, in terms of price action, but he seems to be taking a little bit of a different approach compared to what CZ thinks is likely. He's saying 95% pretty much gone. I'm not so convinced it would be that high of a percentage. I don't think people have figured this all out. But maybe I'm somewhere in between those two. I don't know. But yeah, I do think there will be an altcoin rally. Some people out there even think that that's not going to happen. To me, that's just like silliness, though. But he emphasized that it would be incorrect to suggest that Pantera does not believe in Bitcoin. Rather, they are of the opinion that smaller coins will go up in value more. And here's another quote. We think Bitcoin is going to go up a ton, but altcoins will go up even more. As an example, Bitcoin is up about 30% year to date, which is amazing. Given that equities are down and real estate's down and almost all assets are down in price. But other things in the cryptocurrency space are up much more. Ethereum is up 80%, and then other smaller projects like Augur and Ox are up 100% on the year. So how about that? Interesting. So there you go. You can tell me what you think, but I'm feeling pretty bullish. That's where Moon Lambo's coming from. And I don't know when all the fireworks are going to occur, but again, I will be as patient as is necessary, just sitting on the sidelines, ready to watch. But when the fireworks do start, I will make sure I have my popcorn ready. That's it for this video. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the Moon Lambo!